Breed Sapporo. Dear students, today we come with lesson 5. Lesson 5 it is titled as Eskulu Dil. The word school comes from the Syriac word Eskulu. Lesson 5. In this chapter, we study how the small sentences are formed and how the demonstrative pronoun is applied, and it is an initial lesson for the study of pronominal suffixes. This lesson is titled Eskulo Dil. Eskulo means school. Eskulo. School, the term comes from Eskulu, the Aramaic word, Syriac. Eskulo, school. Dil means my. Amma, the Malayalam term comes from Emo. There are so many loan words in Malayalam, particularly from Aramaic or Syriac. Lesson 5, Eskulo Dil. Eskulo Dil means my school, my school. Mo Shapir Eskulo Dilan. Mo means, Mo is an interrogative pronoun. Mo, how, Mo. Shapir, beautiful. How beautiful, how beautiful. How beautiful. Mo Shapir. Eskulo. Eskulo, school. Dilan, our school. Mo Shapir Eskulo Dilan. How beautiful is our school. It is a passion. How beautiful is our school. How beautiful is our school. How Eskulo Rabo. How, that. Demonstrative pronoun. Auxiliary verb. How masculine singular. That is. Eskulo, school. Rabo, great or big. That is a big school or a great school. How beautiful is our school, and that is a big or great school. Great school. Great school. Eeth be malpone hakime. Eeth, there are, there is. Eeth, there are. Be, in it, in this school. Eeth be, in it there are. Malpone, malpone, masculine plural. Malpone, teachers. Hakime, wise teachers. Hakime, wise, masculine plural. Eeth be malpone hakime. In it there are wise gents teachers. Masculine form, teachers. In it there are wise teachers. In it there are wise teachers. Wo malponiyoto hakimoto. Wo malponiyoto, feminine plural. Wo, conjunction, wow is prefixed. Wo malponiyoto, and teachers. And teachers, hakimoto, wise teachers. Here it is a feminine form. Lady teachers. Vu malponioto hakimoto. And lady wise teachers. In it there are wise gents teachers and lady wise teachers. Okay, then Eith Bay. In it there are Eith Bay. In it there are Yolupe. Yolupe plural form. Yolupe students masculine plural. Muhire adjective. Muhire skilled. Then Eith Bay Yolupe Muhire. In it there are skilled students. Oh, wonderful. In it there are skilled students. Oh, Rohomo Tobo. Oh, wow. Wow means and. The conjunction wow is prefixed to Rohame. Rohame Tobe, masculine plural. Rohame Tobe. Rohame means friends. Tobe, good friends. Rohame Tobe, good friends and good friends. There are good and bad friends. Good friends will make you good, and bad friends will make you bad. Your character will be changed. Friends are like a library. Okay? See. Eith Bay Yolupe Muhire. Vurohame Tobe. Vurohame Tobe. In it there are skilled students and good friends. Okay? Then Eith Bay Yolupoto Muhiroto Vurohomoto Toboto. Eith Bay Yolupoto Muhiroto Vurohomoto Toboto. Eith Bay. In it there are. Bay in it. Eith there are. In it there are Yolupoto. Yolupoto feminine plural. Yolupoto means students, feminine form. Muhiroto smart, skilled. Muhiroto feminine plural. Eith Bay Yolupoto Muhiroto. In it there are smart students. Smart students, feminine. Female students, feminine form. Vurohomoto Toboto. Vurohomoto and friends. Rohomoto feminine plural. Toboto adjective feminine plural. Vurohomoto Toboto and good girlfriends and good friends and good friends. Good in character and conduct. Good enough in character and conduct. Good students. Oh, wonderful. Their character and conduct are good. Okay, see once again how it is written. How the small sentences are made. Nouns with adjective and interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, preposition. Okay, see the text. Lesson 5. A schoolo dil, my school. Mo Shapir schoolo dilan. How u a schoolo rabo. Eith Bay Malpone Hakime. Vu Malponioto Hakimoto. Eith Bay Yolupe Muhire. Vu Rohame Tobe. Eith Bay Yolupoto Muhiroto. Vu Rohomoto Toboto. Okay. Then nouns and adjectives should agree in number and gender. See, for example, nouns and adjectives should agree in number and gender. What does it mean? If the noun is masculine singular, adjective will be also masculine singular. If the noun is masculine plural, adjective will be masculine plural. If the noun is feminine singular, adjective will be feminine singular. If the noun is feminine plural, the adjective will be feminine plural. In Syriac, singular will agree only with the singular forms Plural will agree only with the plural forms. Feminine will agree only with the feminine forms. And a masculine will agree only with the masculine forms. See the rule of the sentence. For example, how kutobo tobo. How kutobo tobo. That is a good book. Here there is no auxiliary verb. Only demonstrative pronouns are shown. How kutobo tobo. That is a good book. Hoi malkuto tobuto. That is a good queen. Hoi malkuto tobuto. That is a good queen. Queen. Honun benayo hakime. Honun. How? Honun. Plural form, masculine plural. Bro benayo. Plural form, sons. Hakime. Adjective, masculine plural. Honun benayo hakime. Those are wise sons. Those are wise sons. Then Honen benoto shapiroto. Honen, feminine plural. Benoto, feminine plural. Daughters, Bartho. Bartho benoto. Shapiroto, adjective, plural form. Shapiroto, feminine plural. Honen benoto shapiroto. Those are wise daughters. Those are wise daughters. Sentence making. Yenono malko tobo. I am a good king. Yeno, no. I am. Malko tobo. Good king. See, yeno, personal pronoun, first person common singular. No, auxiliary verb, first person common singular. Malko, masculine singular. Tobo, masculine singular. Yeno, no, malko tobo. I am a good king. Yeno malko tobo no. See the usage of auxiliary verb in different types. There are two different types of usage of auxiliary verb. In the first sentence, auxiliary verb came in the second position, immediately after the personal pronoun. But here in this sentence, auxiliary verb is placed at the end of the sentence. Both are same. Both are correct. Both are correct. But nowadays we follow the rule, auxiliary verb placed immediately after the personal pronoun. Yeno malko tobo no. Yeno means I, personal pronoun. Malko, noun, masculine singular. Tobo, adjective, masculine singular. No, auxiliary verb. See, what does it mean? I am a good king. I am a good king. I am a good king. Yeno malko tobo no. Then, at taliyo kashiro at. Masculine forms. At. Taliyo. At means second person masculine singular. At. You. Taliyo, boy. Kashiro, diligent. Diligent, adjective, diligent. Both are masculine singular forms. At, auxiliary verb. At taliyo kashiro at. You are a diligent boy. It can be said in one another way. At taliyo kashiro. Nowadays we use the term, we use the form at taliyo kashiro. You are a diligent boy. Then, Hinan Tiloye Shapire Nan. Masculine plural forms. Hinan, first person common plural. Hinan. It can be used with masculine plural forms and also with the feminine plural forms. Okay? Tiloye, masculine plural. Boys. Shapire, beautiful. masculine plural. Shapire, adjective. Nan. Nan is auxiliary verb. Second person, first person common plural. First person common plural. Nan. Okay, nan, Tuloe, Shapire, nan. We are beautiful boys. We are beautiful boys. Ath tlito shapirto ath. Ath tlito shapirto ath. You are beautiful girls. You are beautiful girls. Ath talioto. Ath talioto. Ath talio. Ath tlito. Ath tlito means ath with yod and tlito. Tlito means girl. Shapirto. Ath tlito shapirto ath. Ath tlito shapirto ath. You are a beautiful girl. Beauty in goodness, not in external signs, but in beauty in internal matter. Beauty as an internal matter. Beauty which is connected with the virtuous life. Beauty, goodness. Okay? Ath tlito shapirto ath. You are a beautiful girl. You are good in character and conduct. You are a beautiful girl. Then, u gabaro bisho u. U gabaro bisho u. He is a bad man. Who? Third person masculine singular. Who? He. Gabaro bisho. Gabaro bad. Gabaro man. Bisho adjective bad. U auxiliary verb. Third person masculine singular. Who gabaro bisho u. He is a bad man. Okay? Dear students, study well. Make simple sentences. My dear students, see how the demonstrative pronouns and the personal pronouns are applied in a sentence. And the nouns and adjectives are used. Okay? Study well.